Connect the refrigeration water inlet pipe on the hose side. The other end is connected to the water outlet of the refrigerator. Connect the main unit's cooling water outlet pipe. The other end is connected to the refrigerant water inlet. Plug the power cord of the refrigerator into the power outlet on the left side of the main unit. Plug the power plug of the host into a power outlet that meets the usage requirements. Insert the test tubes into the 3 workstations of the main machine, respectively. Put into the salvage net. Place the salvager. Install the power cord of the fishing device. Turn on the power switch. Set temperature control temperature. Turn on the power of the refrigerator. Set temperature control temperature. Prepare the solution according to the required ratio. After the host machine reaches a constant temperature, pour the prepared solution into the test tube. Install the fishing net and pull the wire. Let the solution stand for a period of time. Then, place the test sample into the test tube.